Yes, class 7th students, welcome back. Moving towards the exercise of practice book for chapter 2. My turn 1. Read the sentences and underline the onomatopoeic words. We know very well what are the onomatopoeic words. Onomatopoeic words are the words which are used in our language as they are produced. The bird sat on the window still and went chirp chirp chirp. So what are the onomatopoeic words? Chirp chirp chirp. The cat slurped the milk in the saucer. Slurped. Please do not slam the door. Slam. They puffed up the mountain slow. Puffed. The rock took off with a boom. Boom. Zoom in the lens for a clear picture. Zoom. The ball crashed through the window. Crashed. The twigs snapped under my shoes. Snapped. The pitter patter of the raindrops woke me up. Pitter patter. He moaned with pain. Moaned. Okay. Now circle the odd one out. It's very easy one. So it is a homework for you people. Okay. Next part of the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the words given below. The dash of the food and water is an important factor in deciding the habitat. So, what will be the first answer? The dash of the food and water is an important factor in deciding the habitat. The availability. Okay. अवेलेबल से क्या बनेगा? अवेलेबिलिटी. अवेलेबल से बनाएंगे हम ITY जोड़ के अवेलेबिलिटी. The dash of the police had matters words. The involvement. Continuous dash of the group activity is required to ensure everyone stays on the track. So continuous assessment of the group activity. It is common assumption that games such as golf are for the rich. The judge pronounced the sentences based on the evidence made available by the lawyers. The students can express their individuality using art and dance. Now, there are some errors in the following sentences. So, we have to correct the sentences and rewrite. My friend has gone to Goa for a holiday. My friend has gone to Goa, G capital, for a holiday. A fleet of flowers. No, a bouquet of flowers. Fleet नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? Bouquet of flowers were singular है तो क्या क्या होगा? Was. A bouquet of flowers was kept in a vase for me. My emotions are clouding my judgment. Judghood नहीं होता, क्या होता है? My judgment. The transportance. No, the transportation provided by the school was comfortable. Okay. No one can. Prediction नहीं होगा. Predict the weather correctly over here. The teacher took the attendance नहीं होता. Attendance of the class. I have planted all the trees and flowers in the garden. I have planted all the trees, T small, okay, and flowers, F small, in the garden. The gateway of India is in Mumbai. The gateway, G capital, the gateway of India, I capital, is in Mumbai. A gaggle of elephants, no, it is a herd of elephants charged towards us. Last, this machine helps with the generate of power. No, this machine helps with the generation of power. Okay. Moving towards my turn. 6 is the homework. Reading and comprehension, unseen passage will be the homework portion. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for listening.